Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video. A very warm welcome to another video of mine. Today I'm gonna discuss about Mars getting direct in the Pisces sign. Mars is gonna go direct in the Pisces sign on the 14th of November 2020, and it is going to remain direct and then move into the Aries sign once again on the 24th of December 2020. I'm gonna discuss today in this video how this planet would be for all moon signs. You see, Mars is a fiery red hot planet, and Mars is all about action. It is all about going forward in life. Until the 14th of November, Mars was retrograde and it was very strong. I consider a retrograde planet to be very strong. So, until the 14th of November, Mars will be very strong. Though it is in the watery sign, still it would be very strong until 14th of November. But after the 14th of November, it is introspection time for Mars. The action, the work, the excitement which was in the world until 14th November 2020 will diminish suddenly, and people will take a step back and try to analyze what they have done in the year 2020. But once Mars goes into the Aries sign, which is on the 24th of December 2020, then again this Mars is gonna go into full action. So let me start talking about the first moon sign, that is the Aries moon sign. You know, for the Aries moon sign, Mars will be in your 12th house. You know, after the 14th of November, Mars will be direct in your 12th house from your moon sign. And this particular Mars going direct in your 12th house indicates that you will become very religious at this point in time. The faith and belief which you had lost in God will come back in your life. You will start believing in the Almighty, and you will realize that without the blessings of God, nothing will work for you. In spite of you working hard, in spite of you making great efforts in your life, you haven't progressed. But something during this time will tell you that you must trust in God, and only God can show you the right direction. For Taurus moon sign people, Mars will be direct in the 11th house. So during this time, you will try to accumulate money. You will try to save that money which you have earned until now. Your spendthrift nature has brought you into certain problems, and this time you will make sure that you start saving money, start accumulating money. You will also start to make plans for your future life at this moment, and the plans which you make during this Mars direct in your 11th house will yield results in the future. For Gemini moon sign people, Mars will be in your 10th house, and during this time you will tend to go slow at your workplace. You will think you have worked hard enough, but you haven't got the respect and the money you deserve after working so hard. So you will introspect and find out where did you go wrong. You will start thinking that if there is no respect or no money for your efforts, then why should you keep on working hard? But you will get that answer during this Mars being direct in your 10th house. For Cancer moon sign people, Mars will be in a direct motion in the 9th house. So during this time, you can expect to travel. You can expect a change in your fortunes during this time. If your career was not doing well until this point, then after the 24th of December, you can expect things to get better for you. You will make humongous efforts behind your career. When Mars remains direct in your ninth house, you will start making plans. You will start to think how you have to make things happen in your life, and your action will begin in the next year. Well, Leo moon sign people, Mars will be direct in your 8th house. So during this time, you can expect some sudden money from somewhere. It may be in the form of an inheritance, or the elderly of the family may give you a gift. But the main focus of yours during this time would be how to earn money in life. And you will take necessary steps to ensure that money comes to you effortlessly in the future. For Virgo moon sign people, Mars will be in your 7th house. It will be in a direct motion in your 7th house. So you might face some despondency in life. But let me tell you, in spite of you being depressed at this moment, you will fight back. You will fight back until you have achieved what you didn't achieve in the year 2020. You will be acknowledged and appreciated by your relatives and friends for what you will achieve in the coming time. For Libra moon sign people, I want to tell y'all that Mars will be in direct motion in your 6th house. So during this time, you will try to make peace with your enemies. Your enemies which were troubling you a lot will be your friends at this moment. Suddenly, you will find a solution to your illness. The illness which had been troubling you until now, you will get a medicine for it, and that illness will be cured completely during this time. For Libra moon sign people who had taken a debt, they will start to repay that debt during this phase. For Scorpio moon sign people, Mars will be direct in your 5th house. You can expect yourself to get more creative. You will get creative, and this quality of you being creative will yield for you a lot of profits in the future. You will start planning your career at this moment, and you will make sure that your ideas and plans give you a long-lasting career. For Sagittarius moon sign people, Mars will be in your 4th house. During this phase, when Mars is direct in your 4th house, you can expect happiness and comfort during this time. You will try to buy something for yourself which will give you comfort and luxury. You will tend to go slow with your career. You will try to lie low during this time. For those of you looking for an opportunity in your career, you may find that very soon. You may find it during this period. For Capricorn moon sign people, at this time, Mars will be direct in your 3rd house. Your efforts behind your work may completely fail. Any efforts you make during this period behind your career will not yield results for you. But do not worry, because once Mars goes into the Aries sign, you will find something good for yourself in regard to your career. Unnecessary expenditure during this time cannot be ruled out. For Aquarius moon sign people, I want to tell you all that Mars will be in your 2nd house from your moon sign. So during this phase, you will have to spend a lot of money behind your family. Your expenses behind your family will be so high that it will exasperate you. It will become almost impossible for you to make your ends meet. You might have to break your savings and spend money behind your family. So my suggestion to y'all would be, live within your means. Do not try to overspend money behind your family. Pisces moon sign people, Mars will be in a direct motion over your moon sign. I mean your Pisces moon sign. So during this time, you can expect confidence to return back in your life. The confidence which you had lost somewhere will come back to you. Your confidence level during this time will be such that you will plan to take risks during this time. However, taking risks in the wrong place would cost you dearly. I mean, you can lose a lot of your hard-earned money. Well, these are my general predictions about Mars going direct in the Pisces sign for all the moon signs. If you want specific predictions about yourself, then you will have to provide me with your date of birth, time of birth, and place of birth. And then subsequently, I can predict about your life, your future, and this particular transit of Mars going direct in the Pisces sign. Well, if you wish to know your future through astrology and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, if you want to live a life full of money, prosperity, success, tranquility, calmness, and if you are hell-bent on taking your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great life ahead. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali.